Onyami Jesus don't land again like Land Rover. Hey, one neighbor na akpọtụ na bụ n'ebe agba Nsụka na Nsụka ka ihe a na-akpọtụ now another fake pastor, another notorious again. Hey, now that is kita ka Chinedu follow. If you are a fake native doctor, if you are a fake pastor, if you are fake in anything you are doing and you are in any good state, my dear, leave that state now, because it's time for your disgrace. The time for Anambra has gone. Akwokoko, Eke Heat, Oye Jesus, they are behind bar now. Now this time for Enugu. Billion, each billion. Ezan now is under police net. Pastor Chinedu now in Ibagwa Nsuka now is under police net again. Hey, Ogini, Ndenugu, what is it? Ogini, Ezani, pregnant women, not even women, because we are talking about the one who know. How out of others that are behind, little children and other people. That is by them, throw some people into Sokaway. Now, Pastor Chinedu, white government pastor, he owned now 4 children. You know, Wola Kodo, as alleged. Wola Kodo will kubushi and Jenny ne muffins, Ebano, Mapa Yabano, Wola Kodo will kubushi na guinea name, he have got end time. He have got end time. He now also will make end time. That is what is happening now. Ogene. We'll be talking about Fulani yes men, one side, buying people from their own side. We too, then we are buying our own selves by our own side. This is a height of wickedness. We're talking about insecurity. This one is above insecurity, this one is wickedness. And it's household wickedness. You as an Igbo pastor, you as an Igbo native doctor, you can try this to a Yoruba family. You as Igbo pastor, you as an Igbo priest, you can try this to Hausa family. Okwa Igbo to Igbo. Yes. Biafra to Biafra. Olechi ajua ogineme. Olechi ayajua ogineme anyi. Complete demolition going on now in Nsuka. Yes. You saw how they leveled Ezani own billion. Level, that is, you don't know where. If they tell you that such a house was there before, you can't even dictate where the particular place where the house was. That is, brought it down to pieces. Beautiful and pretty house like that. Now it's time for Pastor Chinedu, evil pastor. You see how Caterpillar spoiling his car, damaging car. That is car's worth of money. This is why he damaged. Ezani own was burned. That is the wages of sin. Bible said that the wages of sin is death. Yes. But these people, they never buy. But the life where they're in now, he must have buy. That is it. Pastor Chinedu is receiving his own now. Who next? But what the news I brought to you now is that these people are in a club. These people are in a clique. Mana mbob na aka kpaleze kudede okwu mmochili ọzọ ọmụ abụnyami Jizọs na-ekwu aka kpalgezani ọsọ na-ada oke n'ọsọ mgbele n'ụzọ. Ezefelo na-aṅụ iyi Dr. Ezefelo alụsị ndị obere agụ mana abịa na dibịa ndị obere agụ mana ọ na-aṅụ iyi na iso ma na ya eso time elube onye ike julu ofue. That is it. Elili ma ngwugwu ma sọsọ ngwugwu ma onye kelee enu uche anyị dị ya ha bụ ndị Igbo na-emere too much. My dear, whatever you are doing today, whatever you see today, whatever you are practicing today, whatever you are noticing today, Yorubas have noticed it since that they have practiced things. Manu, such you are hearing from our side. If you feel that you have learned today and you know today, Hausa people have practiced it long time and have learned it long time. The time we were even sleeping. Up to today. Bible said that since the time of John the Baptist until now, we never stop. But you no go hear them. Such you are hearing from us, from Hausa people. Only with the Igbos. Only us. That is it. I still remember when Andoli Onyami Jesus, a very good actor and a top content creator. So all Pastor Chinedu, all he have acquired by evil money and by crookish way, all have been brought down to zero, to ashes. One, his family will be displaced. That's number one. Number two, the trauma. Tomorrow. You may forget, but social media don't forget. That's what we are saying. Unwilling to. No. That is it. I'll still update you on the letters. 4 children from one parent. Tell me, even at the only 4 children they have, even if they have 10, even if they have 1 million children, you're not poor, you know 4 children. 4 children no be 4 chicken. Okay, well, for the height of wickedness. You don't even spare Mofonia. We are watching. I will update you on the latest.